Happy birthday to you.
Nanny?
Happy birthday, dear Maui. Happy birthday to you.
Hooray! Blow the candles out.
Down a bit. Go on, again. Try that.
Hard. Ready.
Yeah.
Well done.
Yes, mate. Good boy.
Look at the cake, Chloe.
Let's cut it.
Mary, look, see, it's a train. See that train? What does it say? What does it say? It says M-A-U. Mary's cake. And it says, Happy birthday. Is that nice?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Maui. Happy birthday to you.
Yes, mate. Yeah.
Birthday cake.
I know. Yes, mate. Yes. I can see it. I can see it.
He's filming you. It's a camera.
Bag.
Yes, and I told you it's your birthday. Look, it's Granddad. Look.
Where did Nanny put her bag? Huh? Oh, there it is.
Which bit do you want? I'll have the train.